The 2025 Chery Tiggo 9 Pro stands out as a top contender in the electric SUV market, offering a winning combination of style, technology, practicality, and performance. From its sleek exterior design to its luxurious interior amenities, the Tiggo 9 Pro exemplifies Chery's commitment to innovation and excellence. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a cross-country adventure, the Tiggo 9 Pro delivers a premium driving experience that exceeds expectations. Keep an eye out for the Tiggo 9 Pro as it prepares to make its mark on the automotive world. In this video, we explore every aspect of the Tiggo 9 Pro to provide valuable insights for prospective buyers. Exterior. The 2025 Chery Tiggo 9 presents a refined and commanding exterior design, emphasizing luxury and modern aesthetics. Front fascia. The Tiggo 9's front features a prominent waterfall grille, designed to resemble the face of a roaring tiger, symbolizing power and elegance. This grille is flanked by sleek, horizontally aligned LED headlights, contributing to the SUV's assertive presence. The lower bumper has been updated with a full-width intake, replacing the previous multi-section design and enhancing the vehicle's streamlined appearance. Side profile. The side silhouette maintains a harmonious flow characterized by a straight window line and a pronounced waistline, underscoring its dynamic stance. Hidden door handles and a floating roof design add to the vehicle's sophisticated look. The Tiggo 9 sits on newly designed 20-inch multi-spoke wheels, adding a contemporary touch to its side profile. Rear design. At the rear, the Tiggo 9 is equipped with through-type taillights that enhance its visual width and provide high recognizability. The dual exhaust outlets maintain the SUV's sporty appeal, while the electric tailgate offers convenience for loading and unloading. Dimensions. The Tiggo 9 measures 4,820 millimeters in length, 1,930 millimeters in width, and 1,699 millimeters in height, with a wheelbase of 2,820 millimeters. These dimensions position it as a medium-sized SUV, offering a balanced proportion between interior space and road presence. Color options. The 2025 model is available in 5 exterior colors: black, silver, gray, and 2 shades of white, providing a range of choices to suit diverse preferences. Interior. The 2025 Chery Tiggo 9 offers a refined and luxurious interior, combining advanced technology with comfort and practicality. The cabin features a dual-screen setup comprising a 24.6-inch instrument cluster and a central 15.6-inch infotainment display, both powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip. Additionally, a 50-inch augmented reality head-up display, ARHUD, provides essential driving information directly in the driver's line of sight. Comfort is paramount, with the driver's seat offering 12-way electric adjustment and a 10-position massage function. The front passenger seat features a unique female-exclusive one-click reclining function, allowing it to lay nearly flat. The second-row seats are electrically adjustable and include a center armrest, while the third row is accessible via a power folding mechanism. Interior materials include soft-touch surfaces, wood grain panels, and diamond-embossed knobs, contributing to a premium atmosphere. The cabin is equipped with 256-color ambient lighting, enhancing the overall ambiance. For entertainment, the Tiggo 9 boasts a 14-speaker Sony surround sound system and a 50-watt wireless charging pad. Advanced driver assistance systems include features like forward collision warning, rear cross traffic alert, and hill start assist. Overall, the 2025 Chery Tiggo 9's interior exemplifies a blend of luxury, technology, and comfort, making it a compelling choice in the midsize SUV segment. Practicality and performance. The 2025 Chery Tiggo 9 offers a compelling blend of practicality and performance, making it a strong contender in the midsize SUV segment. Performance. The Tiggo 9 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivering 257 horsepower and 400 newton-meters of torque. This engine is paired with either a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, 7DCT, or an 8-speed automatic transmission, 8AT, providing smooth and responsive gear shifts. The SUV boasts a top speed of 205 kilometers per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 7.9 seconds, offering a dynamic driving experience. For those seeking enhanced efficiency, the Tiggo 9 CDM plug-in hybrid variant combines a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, producing a total of 375 horsepower and 610 newton-meters of torque. This variant offers a pure electric range of 82 kilometers and a total range exceeding 1,400 kilometers, making it ideal for long-distance travel. Practicality. Inside, the Tiggo 9 accommodates up to 7 passengers with its 3-row seating configuration. The second-row seats are electrically adjustable, and the third-row seats can be folded flat to expand cargo space. The boot offers 200 liters of space, with all 3 rows up, which can be increased by folding the rear seats. For added convenience, the front passenger seat features a female-exclusive one-click reclining function, allowing it to lay nearly flat, enhancing comfort during long journeys. Driving impressions. The 2025 Chery Tiggo 9 delivers a refined driving experience, blending responsive performance with refined comfort. Equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing 257 horsepower and 400 newton-meters of torque, the Tiggo 9 offers ample power for both city driving and highway overtakes. The engine is paired with either a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, 7DCT, or an 8-speed automatic transmission, 8AT, providing smooth and responsive gear shifts. The SUV boasts a top speed of 205 kilometers per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 7.9 seconds, offering a dynamic driving experience. The driving modes, economy, standard, and sport, allow drivers to tailor the vehicle's performance to their preferences. The suspension setup, featuring McPherson struts in the front and a multi-link rear, balances comfort and stability. Ride quality is commendable, absorbing road imperfections well, even on the more prominent 19-inch wheels on higher trims. Road noise is well controlled, enhancing cabin comfort during long drives. For those seeking enhanced efficiency, the Tiggo 9C-DM plug-in hybrid variant combines a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, producing a total of 375 horsepower and 610 newton-meters of torque. This variant offers a pure electric range of 82 kilometers and a total range exceeding 1,400 kilometers, making it ideal for long-distance travel. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Chery Tiggo 9 is available in multiple markets, each offering different pricing and availability details. China. In China, the Tiggo 9 is offered in 5 trims, with prices ranging from 152,900 to 203,900 yuan, approximately $21,750 to $29,000 USD. The plug-in hybrid variant, Tiggo 9 CDM, comes in 2 trims, priced between 165,900 and 175,900 yen, around 23,600 to 25,000 US dollars. United Arab Emirates in the UAE, The Tiggo 9 is priced between 119,900 and 139,900 Emirati dirhams, depending on the variant. Environmental sustainability. The 2025 Chery Tiggo 9 demonstrates a commitment to environmental sustainability through its hybrid technology and efficient design. The Tiggo 9 CDM variant features a plug-in hybrid powertrain combining a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with a 165-kilowatt electric motor. This setup provides a combined output of 375 horsepower and 610 newton-meters of torque, enabling a pure electric range of 82 kilometers, WLTC, and a total range exceeding 1,400 kilometers when both fuel and battery are utilized. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Tiggo 9's 2.0 TGDI petrol variant achieves a combined fuel consumption of 7.5 to 8.5 liters per 100 kilometers under the WLTC cycle. This performance is in line with China's stringent VIB emissions standard, reflecting Chery's adherence to environmental regulations. Additionally, the Tiggo 9 incorporates eco-friendly materials in its construction, including the use of recycled plastics and low VOC coatings in the interior. These materials contribute to reducing the vehicle's overall environmental impact. Safety features. The 2025 Chery Tiggo 9 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features designed to enhance protection for both drivers and passengers. Key features include a robust set of active and passive safety systems, ensuring a secure driving experience across various conditions. The Tiggo 9 comes standard with advanced driver assistance systems such as forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure warning. These systems work together to help prevent accidents by detecting potential hazards and alerting the driver. Additionally, the SUV includes lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control, making long drives more comfortable and less stressful. For collision protection, the Tiggo 9 is equipped with multiple airbags, including front, side, and curtain airbag, ensuring a protective cushion during a crash. It also features electronic stability control and traction control, which help maintain vehicle stability during slippery conditions or sharp turns. The SUV's sturdy body structure and reinforced side impact bars further enhance occupant safety. The Tiggo 9 also features rear cross-traffic alert and a 360-degree camera system for added security while parking or maneuvering in tight spaces. All these features come together to make the 2025 Tiggo 9 one of the safest SUVs in its class.